Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Coding Gears. In today's topic, we are gonna learn how files in Python, like how to read, write, append, and manage files like a coding wizard. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the topic. Files are how the program store data permanently, like your notes, game saves, or that essay that you forgot to submit. Python make file handling very easy, but mess up once, that's it. Your data is gone. So let us learn it in the right way. So for handling the files, first we should open a file. So let us see how to open the files in Python. Like here is how you can say that do that. File equal to open data.txt and r. Here open takes the file name and a mode. Like file name here is the data.txt, so that is a file name, and the mode here is r. So like in Python we have different modes to open a file. So let us check what are the common modes that uh, which are used, like how we can use the file. So here the small r mode opens the file in read, like default. It is the default mode. So W mode, we will get the file to write in the writing mode, but remember it overwrites the file. Append mode, in append mode we add the text or the data at the end. So in the X mode it creates a file if errors, if file exists, and B is the binary mode. So now let us see how to read a file. So for reading a file, here we can first open the file in the read mode, as we are seeing how to read the file. Then like content, you create a variable like file.read. So all the data that is there in this file is stored in the content variable. So then if you print the content, you will get the whole content that is present in this data.txt file. So remember, you should close the file. It is a healthy practice. So you can also read the file line by line. Like you can do that using this code, like for line in open.txt, like this says for line in the document that you are gonna open, like the file, print line. It is gonna give the whole content. So this is how you can simply read the file. So coming to writing to the files, so let us see how to write in the files. So first you need, for everything you should need first to open the file. So we have seen how to open that file. Then for writing, this is how the syntax that we should use, like this is how we do it. Sorry, I forgot that we should open the file in this W mode. That is important. And then you can like file.write, whatever you wanna write, you can just give that in this, like this brackets, and then you need to close the file. So remember, W mode overrides the file. It's like saying forget everything, whatever the past data is past, so we are starting over. It's like that. So next, appending to the files. So we should open the file in the A mode, append mode. Then append is like writing the data from the end. So it is also like file.write, whatever the line you want to add at the end, then close. So append mode is like adding toppings to already perfect pizza. So that is like that. So you can do this file handling with using with statement. So this is the better way to handle files. Like this is how you do it: with open, the file name and the mode, as f, printf.read. So no need to manually close this file. So Python does it for you. So it's like a polite roommate. So this is how you can handle the files in better way. So let us get a recap. Like these are the methods: write, read, append, and you have seen how to handle the files with using with. So do you want to be safe before opening? So for that we need to check whether the file exists or not. So here is how we can check whether the file exists or not. For that we need to import OS. Then here is you can do it. If os.path.exists and the file name goes here, if it exists, it's print file found, else it prints file not found. So this is how you can check. And if you want to delete a file, you can say like os.remove the file name. Caution, this is permanent, no recycle bin, no undo, use responsibly. So that's it. Now you know how to read, write, append, and manage files in Python like a pro. Your data is safe, your code is clean, your grades, hopefully they are also safe. So that's it for this video. Thank you.